Working away here at the harbor in Crescent City to build new docks and basically make the harbor brand new. And here in Crescent City they work day and night. It's 9:30 on a Saturday night and these guys are working away here, lifting the rocks to build up the breakwater. And we're very lucky on the Wild Blue to be right next to them here, so all night long we can sleep and enjoy the sounds of construction in progress. Every real estate developer's music to his ears. And here it is, all happening in Crescent City Marina.